We just parked at the free parking part and we are walking to the info area, the check-in, I guess. So we were walking here in this trail to get to the visitor terminal place, and the siren just went off and I was like thinking it was that asked us to keep off, but apparently there's an airport right there. We don't know if there's a plane coming or what, but the siren went off and it scared the hell out of me. There's a little airport. Oh, it says visitor terminal, 20 minutes. And we're walking toward the terminal. I was just saying that we saved about $20 for parking farther away, but we got 3 hot drinks, so it kind of evens out. Well, whatever. We gotta walk in, so fair and square. Yeah, Brian was just saying how there's not a big crowd at all, so that's a good thing.
It's really
Yeah, that's the whole idea, like coming now.
This is perfect. I should bring a scarf though. That's the only thing I'm probably going to be missing.
The guy just beeped the horn and it scared me.
It's like an owl.
Huh? I know, you almost need hearing protection for it.
Well, if you're right by it, yeah.
Little waterfall. And like, there's like so much crazy twists.
Usually it's just wet and cloudy. Like it's cool, but it's wet.
Place in a moment or two is known as the Fairy Falls. Now, back in the 1800s, when those mighty square-rigged sailing ships were using the Royal Forties.
The cool thing about coming down here now is that there's no one.
Well done to you guys. You've timed your day in here well.
So yeah, we have basically no wind right now, and it's sort of half sunny, a little cloudy, but beautiful.
How did we time this so right? Nobody here and beautiful weather.
Yes. Could not have been better.
There's a little family up there rock climbing. There's a rainbow there. What do you think of Milford Sound?
This is amazing. Really picked a really good day.
We're heading back to disembark now, so we're doing a little turnaround. Milford Sound, where there's not really any commercial flights.
We just went off
That way?
that way, maybe? You can hear him going. So if we wait for a minute, we might see him take off down there. I'm not sure if we'll see him or not.
We are approaching the tunnel.
Going up a bunch of switchbacks before we get there.
Yeah, this is the one-lane tunnel that we came on earlier. What do you think of the Milford Sound little day cruise?
That was really
It's only a couple hours.
What, 3 hours?
2.
2 hours?
It felt
Something
like 2
like
to
that.
you.
No, I don't remember how long exactly. But it was really nice.
Look at that view right there.
I know.
I don't think the camera does it justice.
It really doesn't.
Well, what did you like about this Milford Sound?
Well, we came on a really good day for it. Like, weather was perfect. So, we got really good views and it wasn't raining or anything. And then,
And it rains more than half of
well, they
the
said it rains more than
200 days out of the
200
year.
plus days out of the year. And, like, when it does rain, it's lots of rain all at once.
Yeah.
So it was a good time, like, just to see everything, and there were some really cool clouds and whatnot around the mountains, so, anyway.
Is this something you'd do again?
Yeah, I'd want to do the overnight version if we're going to do it again, just to get something a little different, but, but yeah, it was about perfect. It was just, like, a little chilly if you just stayed outside too long, but...
Any disappointments?
Disappointments? The only thing that could make it better is if I had, like, actually brought got the coffee and brought it with me on the boat. Just, like, sit out at the front and get comfy.
You could have went in to get coffee.
I could have, but, yeah,
Do it tomorrow.
I might. Tomorrow's supposed to be colder and rainier.
Mm-hmm.
So that one might be a coffee on the boat sort of day.
And like, there's like one of the only 2 places in the world where you can see
Oh, that was a cool spot where it was like there's this little inlet
the
and
seawater, freshwater, rainforest,
Ye-
glacier.
Yeah, it's like you're on salt water and you're looking up a little freshwater river up the hill, and it's a rainforest, and you can see the mountain and like the glacier where the water's coming from all in one place. So that was kind of cool.
Anyway, that was really cool. But we're going down this tunnel right now.
So we're coming back through here right when the fog is just starting to come up again. This is like all over that little river right there.